How to sign up in AFK Arena. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to sign up in AFK Arena. Signing up in AFK Arena is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Launch the game. Open the AFK Arena. Start the game on your mobile device by tapping on the game icon. Access the setting menu. On the main screen, tap on the profile icon located in the top left corner. Account setting. Tap on the setting button found in the player profile menu. Account linking option. In the setting menu, you have several options to link your account with, like Facebook, Google Play Games, and Google account for sign up. Complete the sign up process. Depending on your chosen method, you may need to log in with your credential or provide an email address. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the sign up process. Account security. If you are using an email, ensure you verify your account through your verification email sent to you. And that's how you can sign up in AFK Arena. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.